can we have a look at the meeting that you convened where General Sibia and Warrant Officer Makubu were present? To start with, you say you convened this meeting in the week that accused number one, Muzi Sibia, was arrested. Is that correct?
Yes, my lord.
Ake sibheke ke manje udaba lomhlangano lona ke othi ke wawuhlanganisa ke kukhona warrant officer Makubo uGeneral Sibia uthi loyo mhlangano loyo wenzeka ngaleli viki uMuzi Sibia aboshwa ngalo yebo ngosenkantolo.
And present at that meeting was yourself, General Sibia, Warrant Officer Makubu, and Constable Zungu. Is that correct?
Yes, my lord, you are right, advocate.
Abantu ababekhona lapho kwakuwena General uGeneral Sibia, Warrant Officer Makubo kanye nayo Constable Zungu yebo.
Nobody else.
Akekho omunye wayekhona.
You testify that you wanted to assemble people that you trusted, people who were neutral. Is that correct?
Yes, my lord.
Ushilo ke ukuthi wawumisela ukuthi ke
No,
uhlanganisa
not a team. I never said I was assembling a team, my lord.
utheke ukuthi wafuna uhlanganisa abantu wawubathemba abantu futhi ke ababeyimele nje bengahlangene lutho ke yebo ngishilo kodwa ngishongo ukuthi ke iqembu noma ke ithimba.
Yes, people, sorry, you wanted to assemble people that you trusted.
Yes, my lord.
Abantu yebo nkosi enkantolo bafuna ukuhlanganisa abantu abathembile yebo.
And you further testified that Warrant Officer Makubu was a crime buster. I'm sorry, General Sibia.
Yes, my lord.
Okunye futhi okushilo ke ukuthi ke uGeneral Sibia kwakuumuntu ke othi ubelelesike akwazike ukuthi ke aphenye akutholakale lokho akufunayo noma abe nemiphumela ekuyiyona yebo ngosenkantolo.
And he's not afraid of any criminal.
Futhi ke asikho isigebengu asesabayo.
And you also mentioned that these people were independent. They were neutral, were independent.
Especially General Sibia, because he was no longer in the police service. He was outside. On my side, because of the complexity of this case, I wanted somebody neutral. Because why? There's a lot of things which were happening in this case.
Nokuthi futhi ke wafuna abantu ke abayimele noma ke abangahlangene necala yebo ikakhulukazi yena ke uGeneral Sibia ngoba ke wayengasasebenzi noma engasilona ke iphoyisa futhi ke nango ngesimo ke noma indlela icala leli elaliqhayi ngalo nokuthi ke kuningi okwakwenzeka kulona icala leli.
There was no other general of the detective who I trusted except General Sibia by that time.
Akekho ke omunye uGeneral ubasishi noma kubaphenyi engangimthemba noma engangimethemba ngaphandle kwakhe uGeneral Sibia ngaleso sikhathi leso.
And Makubu was the one who was doing the case.
Nokuthi ke uMakhubo uyena owayenza icala noma okuyena ke owayephethe icala.
Yesterday you did correct yourself that General Sibia was not working for the Metro Police, but for the city of Johannesburg.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Izolo ke kulungisileke ukuthi ke uGeneral Sibia wayengasebenzeli iMetro Police kodwa esebenzela ke iCity of Johannesburg yebo ngosenkantolo.
In their forensic division at the city of Johannesburg.
I don't know whether he was working in the forensic, but what I know is that he was doing serious cases, my lord.
Angazi ukuthi ke wayesebenza ngaphansi koluphike uhlaka khona ke eCity of Johannesburg kodwa ke wayebhekene namacala abucayi.
And you are saying the reason why you did not involve a serving general is because you do not trust. You do not trust them.
No, I said there was no a detective general who I trusted except this one by that time.
Ngithi ke akekho uDetective General engangimthemba ngaleso sikhathi ke nangendlela engangithemba ngayo lona ngalesi sikhathi.
Remember that my advocate, before Zungu came to me and see the National Commissioner, this case was dead.
Ukhumbuleke ukuthi ngaphambi kokuthi uZungu azobona mina kanye naye-ke uNational Commissioner, icala leli-ke kangenalutho lenzekala ngalo, lalifile.
The case was completely dead.
Lalifile nje icala leli.
But after the National Commissioner intervened by getting Gininda,
Kodwa-ke emuva kokuthi-ke uGeneral Commissioner esethe wangenelela ngokuthi athole uGininda,
that's where now everything happened.
ila khona-ke konke kwenzeka khona.
You know, my lord, the police officers, especially when they work for promotion, they can do everything to exclude the first person who came with the information.
Uyazi inkosi enkantolo, uma ngabe-ke amaphoyisa esebenzela ukuthi-ke athole izikhundla noma-ke akhushulwe ngezikhundla, bangenza-ke nanoma yini-ke ukuthi-ke bamkhiphe noma bambekele eceleni lo wokuqala umuntu ekuyena oze noma owaletha ulwazi.
Now, what about General Ndlovu, your second in charge? Why did you not involve him? in the
No,
meeting?
because remember that I did not involve him because he's not so courageous like Sibiya.
Kungani-ke ungazange umfake yena-ke uGeneral Ndlovu okuyena-ke umuntu owayewesibili ukulandela wena noma oza emuva kwakhe. Cha, ukhumbuleke ukuthi yena-ke akuyasi yena-ke umuntu-ke onogqozi noma onofuqufuqu njengaye uSibiya.
That's why I involved him on the issue of taking the issue of the DNA to the province, because that one was simple.
Ingakho-ke ngathatha yena ukuthi-ke akathathe-ke i-DNA uLibo Fuzo ukuthi-ke ahambiseke province ngoba leyo yona-ke yayilula.
I wanted somebody who is not in the police, somebody who is now out, because why? There were a lot of stories about this case.
Ngangifuna-ke umuntu ongasiyona ingxenye yamaphoyisa, umuntu owayengaphandle ngoba-ke kuningi okwakukhulunywa-ke noma kwakushiwo ngalo icala leli.
Remember, General Brigadier, remember advocate, because I said, Zungu said, somebody senior came to him and said, go to the Shaban. I was surprised why he can leave everybody and come to me.
Ukhumbuleke ngikushilo ukuthi uConstable Zungu akusho lana ukuthi-ke watshelwa yiphoyisa-ke eliphezulu ngesikhundla ukuthi hamba uyeke kuleShabane. Lokho-ke kwangishiya-ke ukuthi-ke nemibuzo ukuthi kungani-ke ezoshiya wonke umuntu alethwe kumina.
But now, after seeing this report also, as I said, I'm so happy to see this report of ballistic.
Nanjengoba ngisho-ke manje emuva kokubona-ke lo mbiko lona-ke ukuthi manje kuyangithokozisa-ke kuyangijabulisa ukuthi sengiwubonile umbiko lona wemiphumela yesibhamu.
But there's where they made Zungu to lie.
Kodwa-ke kunala abamenza khona-ke ukuthi aqamba amanga uZungu.
Yes. General, you testify that when you left province in April 2016 till 2019, you never got any information regarding who killed the deceased Mr. Senzo May. Was it correct?
I never get straight information. What I used to get sometimes it was the ESA, some people. And after getting that ESA, I contacted one Colonel Mohali, who was part of the team of National.
Ushilo-ke ukuthi-ke ngo-2016 kuze kuyoshaya-ke u-2019 ngesikhathi-ke uhamba kuyona-ke i-province awukaze noma awutholanga-ke umbiko-ke noma-ke ukuthi ubani okuyena-ke owabulala yena-ke uSenzo Meyiwa. Ngishilo-ke ukuthi-ke ngangizwa nje inzwa bethi la nalaphayana kwaze kwayisikhathi la khona-ke engixhumana khona-ke noMuhale naye-ke owayesebenza ngaphansi kwe-National.
That's why they said, these rumors, you know what, they don't have any cases.
Ila ababekhuluma khona-ke bethi-ke la mahebezi lana-ke hayi cha abanalutho laphayana.
That was the only person I referred him to, the same person who was in prison, Colonel Mohali.
What about him?
I sent him to go and interview an inmate at prison at Lugo.
Uyena-ke uKolonel Mohale engamthuma-ke ukuthi-ke ahambe ayoba nenhlolo khono nesiboshwa-ke eLuko esasise-Leeuwkop.
Because he was part of the investigation, my lord.
Ngoba wayeyingxenye yophenyo.
Who's that prisoner that Mohale had to interview?
No, I forgot about his name, but he went there to interview him about some further information.
Ngikhohliweke ukuthi ke igama lesiboshwa leso kwakuwubani kodwa waya-ke lapho uKenel Mohale ukuthi nje ayokhulumisana naye ke nge-information thizeni.
My Lord, even Kininda told me that he followed those information, all of them, and then they were just false.
Naye uGininda wangitshela ukuthi ke lokho ke okwakuzwakala naye ke waphenyaka noma walenza uphenyo kodwa ke wathola ukuthi kwakungasilona iqiniso.
Now, General, you state that Warrant Officer Makubo was an investigating officer. In which matter was he the investigating officer?
This case of Senzo Mayiwa, my Lord.
Uyasho ukuthi ke uwarrant officer Makuba kwakuwumphenyi noma ke ewumseshi kuliphi icala kulona leli lika Senzo Mayiwa ngosenkantolo.
And he was in the position of the same docket.
Naye futhi ke wayeliphethe lona idokodo leli.
The original docket.
I don't know whether it was original, my wife. It was having a docket where he even opened and showed the picture of one of the person there.
Angazi ke noma kwakuyilona kuqobo noma ke phecelezi ke original yini kodwa ke walivula ke wakhombisa ke ngesithombe somunye wabantu lapho.
It may be possible, maybe that docket was not part of that, but I believe that is part of the, because it was part of the investigation.
Kungenzeka ukuthi idokodo wayeliphethe ke kungasiyona ke ingxenye kodwa ke mina ngakholwa ukuthi ke kwakuyilona ke noma kuyingxenye ngoba ke naye wayeyingxenye iyophenyo.
And I trusted Makubu.
Futhi ke Makubo ngangimethemba.
And even Kininda, I trusted him a lot, my Lord.
Naye uGininda ngangimethemba kakhulu ngosenkantolo.
He was not working with me when I arrived in the province. He was working at National. But Modise and General Ndofu told me that no, he's so good.
Ngoba ke wayengasebenzi nami ke ngesikhathi mina ngifika ke eprovincial yena ke eprovincial yena ke wayese national kodwa ke uModise kanye naye uNdlovu bangitshela ukuthi hayi cha uyawazi umsebenzi wakhe noma uyakwazi akwenzayo.
And I never had any issue with Brigadier Kininda until today, but I'm surprised that they made Zungu to lie about me.
Angikazeke ngibe nenkinga noma bekhona ke ukungixabanisana naye ke uBrigadier Kininda kuze kube namuhla kodwa ke kwangimangaza ke ukuthi ke benze uConstable Zungu ukuthi ke aqamba amanga ngami.
And the statement was obtained by Brigadier Zungu, Brigadier Kininda.
Futhi ke istatement leso senziwa noma sathathwa uyena uBrigadier Kininda.
I'm shocked, my Lord.
Kuyangishaqisa ngosenkantolo.
Where is that statement that you're talking about?
Remember, it was there.
Sikuphi istatement lesi ukhuluma ngaso ukukhumbula ukuthi sasilapho.
Don't forget that in the court here, it was televised. It was televised. When my name was mentioned, it was televised everywhere.
Ukhumbuleke ukuthi ke lokhu ke kwakuveziweke kuwena umabona kude ngesikhathi ke kwakukhulunywa ngalo igama lami kwakuyinto eyayibona yayiveziwe kumabona kude.
And Advocate Baloyi, I'm in pain when looking at the way you are defending the police, and I told you that now I only got information from Zungu, who was told by Gwabini, but he didn't believe me.
Kuyangimangaza ke Advocate Baloyi ngendlela ke ovikela ngayo amaphoyisa ngoba ngakusho ke ukuthi ke mina ngatshelwa uZungu esho yena ukuthi watshelwa uGwabini kodwa ke awuzange ungikholwe.
I told this court that in 2020 Zungu came to me, saying General Shaban, I'm being forced to implicate you, that you must be arrested. And that's why I contacted National Commissioners Stole and also Mawela, because I cannot work so many years and be arrested by false statement.
Ngoba ke uConstable Zungu weza kumina ngo2020 wangitshela ke wathi General ngiyaphoqa ukuthi ke angenze istatement ngawe ekungasilona iqiniso nokuthi ke manje usuzoboshwa ke kwangingakho ke mina ngaxhumana naye uGeneral Sithole ngaxhumana naye uMawela ukuthi angeke ngisebenze iminyaka eminingi kangaka bese ngiyaboshwa ke ngiboshelwa ke okungasilona iqiniso.
Lastly, my Lord,
I'm sorry, General, we ask a very simple question as to if you say Warrant Officer Makubu was an investigating officer, in which matter was the investigating officer, and you then said in this case,
he was working also, he was doing the case and also working in the DPCI, my Lord, because this case, it was done by many divisions. It was also done by myself that side, and I was told that even the DPCI were doing that. Later on, the team of investigators, both at the DPCI and the detective, they were together. And I was there one day when I met the Deputy National Commissioner at Phosphorus, where they said we must work as a team.
Sibuze nje umbuzo olulake ukuthi ke uwarrant officer Makhubo wayewumphenyi weliphi icala washo ke wathi leli yebo kuleli ke icala futhi ke esebenza ke futhi ke nangaphansi ke kwe DPCI iDPCI ke abomunye umuntu uzoyazi ke nanje ngalaba bezwe ukuthi ke ama Hawks ukuthi ke kwakusona ke isikhathi ukuthi ke kwakuphenya nami ngangiphenya nekamithimba iDPCI nayo ke iphenya ngiyakhumbula ke ngesinye isikhathi sihlangana ke naye ke uNational noma ke uDeputy Commissioner eFosloras esho ukuthi ke lamathimba ke ahlukahlukene kuzofanele ukuthi ke ahlangane asebenzisane.
General Brigadier Gininda testified that he carried the original docket in this matter, First Lawrence Case 63610 of 2014.
I cannot dispute that, my lord.
Kubufakazi bakhe ke abethula uBrigadier Gininda watshela lenkantolo ukuthi uyena ke wayephethe ke original docket yalo icala leli angeke ngikuphikise lokho.
And that Warrant Officer Makhubo only had a copy.
I can't dispute that, my lord.
Nokuthi ke uwarrant officer Makhubo yena ke wayisebenza ngecopy noma wayiphethe icopy kuyena angeke ngikuphikise lokho.
But it was a team of the detectives who were working on the case. That's why Makhubo was having that copy, my lord.
Ngoba ke kwakuyithimba ke labaseshi ababesebenza kulona ke icala leli ingakho uMakhubo wayephethe ke icopy leyo.
He further testified that when they had a discussion as a team, they were of the view that they were intruders, as you had pointed out, but that Warrant Officer Makhubo and Colonel Buthelezi were of the view that one of the persons inside the house shot the deceased.
Can you repeat them, my lord, please?
Brigadier Gininda testified that when the matter was assigned to them, he made a copy to each team member to go through the statements.
Kubufakazi bakhe ke abethulile uBrigadier Gininda watshela lenkantolo ukuthi ke icala ke lathi uma linikezelwa bona ke wanikeza ithi noma ke ilunga ngalinye icopy ledokodo.
I copied it, my lord.
Sorry?
I copied it, my lord. I know. I agree about it.
Ngiyavuma ngalokho.
They then had a discussion. Brigadier Gininda and members of his team were of the view that they were intruders, of whom one shot the deceased, whereas Warrant Officer Makhubo and Colonel Buthelezi held the view that the person who shot the deceased was from one of the persons inside the house.
I cannot dispute that, my lord.
Ukuthi ke emuva kwalokho babe seba nomhlangano ke yena Brigadier Gininda kanye nethimba ayesebenza nalo bona ke olwabo uvo lwaluthi ngempela kunabantu ababili abangena endlini omunye walabo ababili ke wadubula umufi kolunye uhlangothi ke uwarrant officer Makhubo kanye naye ke uLieutenant Colonel Buthelezi bona ke olwabo uvo lwaluthi kulabo ababephakathi endlini omunye wabo wadubula umufi angeke ngikuphikise lokho ngosenkantolo.
Now the upshot of that was that eventually First Lawrence Case 3751 of 2019 was opened and Warrant Officer Makhubo deposed to the A1 statement.
I hear that, my lord.
Ukuthi ke emuva kwalokho ke ila khona ke idokodo u375 la selivulwa khona ke yena ke Warrant Officer Makhubo kune statement ke abe asenza ke noma ke esivula ke ngalo idokodo ngiyakuzwa lokho.
Do you still think that Warrant Officer Makhubo was a neutral person in light of the view that he held?
I don't know, my lord. I don't know the reason why you opened the case, my lord.
Ingabe usacabanga namanje ke ukuthi ke uwarrant officer Makhubo kwakuumuntu ke nje owayeyimele ke oyengenahlangothi ke kodwa ke kwenze emva kwalokhu ke angazi ngosenkantolo izathu sokuthi ke alivuleke lelicala angisazi.
And I was also surprised to hear that there is a case opened.
Futhi ke kwangimangaza ukuthi ngizwe ukuthi ke kunecala elavulwa.
I thought maybe that team got a confession like what they got this side of Gininda. But I was aware there was no one was inside who said, I was there, I saw this one inside shooting.
Ngoba ke engangicabanga mina ukuthi ke mhlambe ke lapho ukukhuluma ngaye ke uwarrant officer Makhubo kunomuntu mhlasimbe ke owahlambuluka noma ke owagonyuluka ke nanjengoba kwenzeka ke kulohlangothi lolu luka lakhe ubrigadier Gininda ngoba engikwaziyo ke ukuthi akekho umuntu kulabo ababephakathi endlini owathi ngiyazi ngabona ukuthi kulaba esasihlezi nabo ulo owadubula.
Remember, I interviewed him, my lord.
Ukhumbule ukuthi ngakhuluma noMthokozisi Sithwala.
He stated clearly that there were two people who went in.
Wakusho nje kwacaca ba ukuthi ke kunabantu ababili abangena.
That's why I was not really sure about this case because of I did not have facts.
Ingakho ke ngangenaso ke isiqiniseko saleli icala ngoba ke akukho enganginako noma amaqiniso enganginawo ngalo.
It's Makhubo and Buthelezi who must give the facts.
uMakhubo noButhelezi ke ekuzofanele ke bachazeke ngalo.
But General, you say it did surprise you that that there's a so-called second docket.
Yeah, going with this one of 36 because of what I was aware that the Lord, there were two people who went in. So when they talk about the other case of the shooting, I was surprised.
Yebo kwangimangazake kwangishaqisake ukuthi ke kwakuneleli ke lesibini ke manje idokote elihamba naleli ke eli636 ngoba ke mina ke engangikwazi ke ukuthi ke kunababili ke abangena ngaphakathi endlini ukuthi manje sebevule elinye ke bona ke ukuthi ke icala ke lapho ukuthi ke ukuphazamisana nokusebenza komthetho lokho kwangishaqisa.
Remember, my lord, as I say, with Gininda, he was always having a good record.
Ukhumbuleke Nkosi enkantolo engikushilo ke ngaye uGininda ukuthi nje umuntu ke kumsebenzi wakhe ke ekwakungekho ke okukhulumekayo ngayo ukuthi ke wayene record nje elihle.
I was briefed by Raymond to say that no, where possible he must come back to province because he was a member of the province but he was taken to national. He was even saying, you know what, for these other cases please make sure that you get Brigadier Colonel Gininda to come and work with us.
Ngoba ke mina umuntu oke wayekhuluma nami kwakuyena uBrigadier Modise ethi ke uGininda lona ke wayesebenza khona kuyona ke iprovince wase ehanjiswa ke eyakuyona ke noma bemthatha bemsa kuyona ke inational ethi ke kuyena ke ngicela ke general ukuthi ke kula amanye amacala ke ukuthi ke aphinde umbuyiseke uGininda ukuthi uKenneth Gininda azosebenza ndawonye nathi.
But there was restructured before I can approach him.
Kodwa ke ngaphambi kokuthi ngiye kuyena ke kwase kwenziwa ke ushintsho noma sekushintshwa ke ukusho ukuthi ke ngase ngehanjiswa ke ngisuswa khona lapho.
General, did you know that General Sibia and Warrant Officer Makhubo attended the crime scene on the night that Mr. Senzo Meiwa was killed?
Yes, remember that when I was there at province, I was told that they were there because Sibia was in the DPCI in Makhubo. But whenever there is a serious case like this one, both components must come together from time to time and help. But there must be the one who's going to lead the case.
Ingabe uyazi yini ke general ukuthi ke ngoyelanga noma ngobusuku adutshulwa wabulawa ngabo umnumzana Senzo Meiwa ukuthi uwarrant officer Makhubo kanye naye ke uGeneral Sibia baya kwindawo yesigameko. Yebo ukhumbuleke ukuthi ke ngaleso sikhathi leso ke bobabili ke uGeneral Sibia kanye naye ke uwarrant officer Makhubo babesebenza ke eDPCI. Manje ke ngaso sonke ke isikhathi ke kunamacala anjena ke kufanele babe khona ke noma bahole kodwa ke ngokuhamba ke kwesikhathi ukuthi le inhlaka lezi ezahlukahlukene kufanele zisebenze ndawonye.
When you were still supervising this matter, did both General Sibia and Warrant Officer Makhubo depose to statement as to what they observed on the night of the incident when the deceased was killed?
My Lord, Advocate Balui, by that time it happened, I was not at the province. So I cannot be able to say they disposed the statement or not, my Lord.
Ingabe ke ngesikhathi wena ewawuhola ngaso ithimba uwarrant officer Makhubo kanye naye ke uGeneral Sibia ngabe banikeza yini noma babhala yini itatimende ke ukhumbuleke ukuthi kunesikhathi ke la khona engangu province angeke ngisho ukuthi ke bazenza noma bayibhala itatimende noma cha.
No, we're referring to the time
Yeah.
when you were the deputy provincial commissioner heading detectives and supervising this matter.
No, the time I was there, it was Mudise, Baloi. I mean, but it was Mudise and Dofu as well as one of them Kwamutetwa. But I was in charge of it from the detective side.
Ngisho ngalesikhathi kwakuwena ke owahola ke ithimba ngaleso sikhathi leso ke kwakuwumudise kwakuwundlovu kanye futhi ke nomthetho.
I don't remember them
Mina
disposing.
wayehola.
Sorry, I don't remember them disposing any statement, my lord.
Angibakhumbuli ke benikeza ngestatement Nkosi enkantolo.
We just wish to refer you to the cross-examination of Mr. Mngomezulu to Lieutenant Colonel Mangena on the 28th of August 2024. We'll give you the copy of the proceedings on page page 16, line 1. Mr. Mngomezulu as Lieutenant Colonel Mangena, when General Sibia was at the scene, and at line 15, Mr. Mngomezulu, I just want to establish do you know whether or did it come to your attention that General Sibia also phoned Warrant Officer Makubu to attend the crime scene? Then Lieutenant Colonel Mangena then responded, Warrant Officer Makubu. At line 20, Mr. Mngomezulu, yes, Mishak Makubu. Then at line 21, Warrant Officer Mangena responded, no, I do not know. Then Mr. Mngomezulu put the following proposition to Lieutenant Colonel Mangena. Mr. Mngomezulu, he was called after 12 o'clock, 12 midnight, towards 1 in the morning, early hours in the morning. Then Mr. Lieutenant Colonel Mangena, from which section was Warrant Officer Makubu. Then on page 17, Mr. Mngomezulu, he's from DPCI, from the Hawks. Then at line 22, Mr. Mngomezulu, I'm talking about what happened that night. I'm not talking about general investigations. I am saying I will call Makubu on my defense, who will come and give evidence relating to that evidence. Proceeds on page 18. Makubu was called by General Sibia that night. Upon his arrival, he called him aside to assist him to reconstruct the crime scene and certain questions. Then at line 14, Mr. Mngomezulu, let me go back into what is the version of Warrant Officer Makubu. He said he was called upon his arrival. Cedric Sibia called him and asked him if he observed what happened here, what could be his opinion, and Warrant Officer Makubu, after he assessed this, he told General Sibia then that there are no intruders that came here.
Lana ke umshushisi uqeda ukufunda ke kubufakazi bange 28 zika August 2024 umnumzana uMngomezulu la ayibuza khona noma ehlama khona ke imibuzo ku Lieutenant Colonel Mangena ifundeka ngalendlela. Bengifisa nje ubaba uMngomezulu fisa nje ukuthi ngithole kuwena ke ingabe uyazi yini ukuthi ke noma ke kwafika yini kuwena ukuthi ke uGeneral Sibiya waqhumana no Warrant Officer Makhubu ukuthi ke baye kwindawo yesigameko. Mayiphendula ke Warrant Officer Mangena, sorry, uColonel Mangena uyabuza Warrant Officer Makhubu Ngomezulu, yes, yebo uMishek Makhubu. Mangena, no, cha angikwazi lokho. Uyaqhubeka kubaba uMngomezulu. Wafonelwa ke eseshayileke u12 maphakathi nobusuku. Sekuya ke kuyena u1 entathakusa. Umangena uqhamuka noma usebenza ngaphansi kwayiphi ke isection noma ke iunit yena uWarrant Officer Makhubu uMnumzana uMngomezulu usebenzela ke iDPCI amaHawks. Uma siqhubeka ke enzansi uMnumzana uMngomezulu ngikhuluma ke ngaloko okwenzeka ngalobo busuku lobo, angikhulumi angikhulumi nje ngophenyo, ngithi ngizobiza yena uMakhubu na njengofakazi ozoza ke azokwethula ubufakazi mayelana ke nabo ubufakazi lobo. uMakhubu wafonelwa noma ke kwaqhumana naye uGeneral Sibiya ngalobo busuku lobo. Uma efika wambizela eceleni ukuthi ke amlekeleleke ukuthi ke bahlele kabusha ke indawo leyo yesigameko lokho kubizwa ngokuthi ke ureconstruct of the crime scene. Uyaqhubeka ke ubaba uMngomezulu, angibuyeleke kulokho ke ukuthi ke uWarrant Officer Makhubu wathi wabizwa noma ke washayelwa ucingo. Uma ngabe efika uCedric Sibiya wase embiza ke emcela ukuthi ke noma wambuza ukuthi yini ayibona yena ukuthi ke kwenzekani khona lapho, ukuthi ke uvo lwakhe naye futhi uofficer noma uWarrant Officer Makhubu emuva ke ukuthi bebheke indawo yesigameko. Yena watshela uMakhubu, watshela uGeneral Sibiya ukuthi akukho bantu bangena lapho noma abekho abantu abangena lapho.
My Lord,
Yes.
can I
Yes.
respond?
Yes.
My Lord, with this one, I cannot comment because I was not there, and I cannot dispute it, but I was not there.
Kulokho Nkosi enkantolo akukho engakusho ngoba ngangingekho lapho, futhi angeke ngikuphikise ngoba ngangingekho lapho.
But do you still maintain that the two persons were neutral?
My Lord, remember that I'm still saying they were neutral. Why? Because I said that Makhubu was part of the investigation team and they trusted him. But this one, because remember I was alone, I wanted somebody who is no longer a policeman, who can be neutral, because here there was a lot of stories. This is the one I trusted. Because there's somebody, I was told, somebody informed Constable Zungu to come to me. I was surprised. That's why now you see a lot of false statement coming up. And I was right.
Ngabe ke usasho ke ukuthi laba ababili ke kwakungabantu ke nje abayimele ekungekho lutho ke ebahlanganisayo. Yebo ngisasho ngoba yena ke uWarrant Officer Makhubu wayeyingxenye yophenyo. Ngaye ke uGeneral Sibiya ngangifuna ke umuntu owayengasilona ke iphoyisa noma oyiphoyisa kodwa akaselona ke manje. Futhi ke ngishilo ngathi ke kwangimangaza ke noma kwakuyinto yangishaqisaka ukuthi ke ukhumbule uConstable Zungu wathi kunomuntu owamtshela ukuthi ke akeze kimina. Lokho ke yinto nje eyangimangaza.
My Lord, even if Makhubu can come here, he will tell you straight, as I told you during the consultation, that I said Makhubu and also Sibiya, they must, I don't want to say anything. They must just hear what Zungu is saying. They will tell you that. What they told him and me and also National Commissioners told is the same.
Futhi ke nanoma ke ungambiza ke uWarrant Officer Makhubu ukuthi eze lana ke uzokutshela ke engakusho kubona ukuthi mina ngeke akunalutho engizokusho ukuthi nje ngizohlala ke ngilalele nabo abahlale bamabalalele ukuthi ke yini eshiwo uZungu nakuyena ke uCommissioner washo lokho.
And my Lord, I want to repeat it. I said this during consultation, and Advocate Baloyi really said, no, this is a hearsay.
Lokhu kona ke ngiyafuna ukuthi ngikusho Nkosi enkantolo ngoba ngakusho ke nangesikhathi nganisehhovisi lakhe uadvocate Baloyi ukuthi ngakusho lokho kuyena kodwa kwabe sethi yena cha inzwabe yethi le.
General, in light of the fact that Warrant Officer Makubo already on the scene said there were no intruders, do you consider him to be a neutral person?
My Lord, when I called them, I said he's neutral because he's also part of the team. But I said to you, I did not support their view because I had a chance of seeing the best friend of Senzo and also witness there. So when he said that, I don't know what happened, my Lord. I don't know why did Makubu got that.
Ingabe ke kulokhu ke kokuthi kwakwindawo noma kuyona indawo yesigameko yena ke Warrant Officer Makubo wayenalo luvo ke noma ehambisana nalo luvo lokuthi cha abekho abantu abangena usasho ukuthi kwakuumuntu nje oyimeleke lowo noma ke ongenahlangothi ngoba ke ngishilo ukuthi Warrant Officer Makubo wayeyingxenye yophenyo ingakho ke mina ke ngathi ke akabe khona ke ukuthi ke lokhu wakuthola phi ke noma uvo lolu ke lona ke wathola kanjani ke angazi ngoba mina ngaba nalo ithuba lokuthi ke ngikhulumisane nomngani kaSenzo Meyiwa.
General, as you have just mentioned, and this was also your testimony, that you said you don't want to say anything. Constable Zungu must relate the story, and you say he repeated that he heard the story from Zungu.
From Guavini.
I'm sorry, from Guaveni. And he said the other one was Unkani, as you put it. Is that correct?
Yeah, he said the other one he's going to talk about this one is Unkani.
Nanjengoba ushilo ke futhi uphindile nabufakazi bakho ke lokho ukuthi ke wena ka ngeke usho lutho ukuthi ke uConstable Zungu uyena ke ozakhuluma nokuthi lokhu ke wakuzwa kuGwabeni nokuthi uma ngabe khuluma wathi ke omunye kwakuunkani yebo into leyo ayisho.
Mara not to say Unkani were part of those who were inside the house.
Kodwa ke hayi ukuthi unkani wayeyingxenye iyalabo ababe phakathi endlini.
The focus was on the two, Muzi and Ntanzi.
La ekwakugxilwe khona kwakugxilwe kulaba ababili uMuzi kanye noNtanzi.
Because myself I was looking at the two people who went in there.
Ngoba mina ke ngangibheke kulaba ababili abangena lapho.
And I differed with them, especially Makubo and Butelis.
Ila khona ke manje ke esasingakhulumi ke into eyodwa esasifike ke sihluke khona ke uMakhubu kanye noButhelezi.
And even today I'm still differ with them.
Kuze kube namuhla ngisakhuluma ke into eyahlukile kule abayishoyo bona.
You testify that Warrant Officer Makubo then took a docket of this is what you said in your evidence, took out the docket of Senzo Meyiwa and showed him a photo of Unkani and said it cannot be that one as he was in prison. Is that correct?
My Lord, I saw what I said, but the docket there, because we were there on the case of Meyiwa, I thought it's the one of Meyiwa. But what I can confirm, my Lord, is that in that docket, whether it's not the same one of Meyiwa or the other one, that's where the name, where the picture of Unkani was there. He said, I know this person. He was in prison. It cannot be the one.
Ushilo ke ukuthi ke wasekhipha ke idokodo uMakhubo ke wakhombisa ke isithombe wathi isithombe ke sakhe ke unkani wathi akukwazi ke ukuthi ungaba uyena lona ngoba wayesejele. Yebo Nkosi enkantolo wakhipha idokodo engazi ke noma ukuthi kwakuyilona ke leli licala kaSenzo noma kwakuyilona noma kwangasilona ke Nkosi enkantolo kodwa awakusho ke wathi ngiyamazi lo muntu lona ke akwazi ukuthi kungaba uyena ngoba wayesejele.
He was in prison at what stage?
I don't know. He just talk about the prison. I don't know what stage, but he just said it's on prison. And I said, my lord, even if you saw the photo, you Makubu, when we departed, my instruction was that you Zungu from here, you are no longer going to work directly to me. You work with the team because now here is the investigator. And by that time, even General Sibia was there by that time. He said, but he also agree with the statement of Zungu, but it must be investigated. He must give us Gwabini, is where he also refuses to say, guys, these people are very dangerous. Once I can let you see Gwabini, I will be killed. Therefore, please, I don't want Gwabini to be mentioned anywhere here, to say you must go and talk to him.
Ukuthi ke kwaku wayesejele ngasiphi ke isikhathi angazi ke lapho ila sengithi khona ke manje nanoma ke manje ususibonile ke isithombe kuyena ke uMakhubu kodwa ke manje ukusuka manje ke uya phambili ke usuzosebenza ke manje naleli thimba ke naba ke abaseshi naye ke futhi ke uGeneral uSibiya ke wakusho ke ukuthi ke impela wayehambisana ke naso istatement leso sakhe uConstable Zungu kodwa ke kuzofanele ukuthi ke kuqhutshekwe nophenyo noma ke kuphenywe ukuze ke kutholakale ke iqiniso yila esethi khona ke yena uConstable Zungu cha yabona ke manje angifuni ke ukuthi ke niqhubekeke ngalodaba lolu kaGwabeni ngoba ke labantu laba bayingozi kakhulu uma ngaba nje kungatholakala ke ngingabulawa.
You said a mouthful.
But when Warrant Officer Makubu said that he cannot be in Nkani and said that he was in prison, was he referring to the date on which the incident happened on the 26th of October 2014?
I didn't know, my lord. As you know, remember that's why we wanted him to give us Gwabini.
Manje ke uma wayethi ke uMakhubu ukuthi ke angeke kube uyena ngoba ngaleso sikhathi leso ke wayesejele ingaba wayekhuluma ke ngesikhathi lesi sokwenzeka kwesehlakalo nge26 October 2014 cha angeke ngazi ke nkosenkantolo ingakho ke sasifuna ukuthi akasinike uGwabeni.
And then from there Makubu was not happy when Zungu says that now he want to see Gwabini. He was not happy.
Manje ke uMakhubu ke manje waye ngenyemeke noma ke engaphathekile kahle ke manje uma ngaba sethi ke uZungu ufuna ukubona uGwabeni.
He said, you know what, if you want me dead, you must talk to Gwabini. So I don't want to be dead. Please don't see Gwabini. And myself, when I called Sibia and Makubu, my intention was to try to persuade Gwabini to be open to me and the two people there.
Ingakho ke manje noma ke esethi ke yena ke uma ngaba ningifuna ngifile noma ngife nizokhuluma ke noma nizoqhubeka ke ngalogwaba lolu ke nodaba lolu lukaGwabeni ingakho ngabiza ke yena uSibiya kanye naye ke uMakhubu ngoba ngifuna ke ukuthi ke uGwabeni lona ke akhulumeke ngokukhululekile.
That was my reason why I called also General Sibiya.
Ingakho futhi ke ngabiza naye uGeneral Sibiya ngaleso sikhathi leso.
And I explained my lord to say Zungu, be free and fair. This man is no longer working in the police.
Ingakho futhi ngakusho ngachaza kuyena ke uZungu ukuthi ke ngiyacela ukukhululeke ngoba ke umlisa lona ke akaselona iphoyisa.
Even if it's what I told you, Advocate Baloyi, that even if you can call General Sibiya now, it will tell you that now. I never said that maybe he's still in the police and he's a general there.
Ingakho ke nakuwe ngasho ke futhi ukuthi ke nanoma ke ungabiza yena ke uGeneral Sibiya ukuthi angeke asho yini ukuthi ngasho yini ke ukuthi ke akasesilona iphoyisa noma usewaphuma ke emaphoyiseni.
Advocate Baloyi, you were very angry. You didn't want to listen to me.
Wawuqasuke ugano nwabu ke Advocate Baloyi awuzange ufune ukungilalela.
General, you testify that Warrant Officer Makubu, when Constable Zungu mentioned the name of Nkani. Warrant Officer Makubu had reservations. He said he arrested Nkani and can't be involved
That is what he
as
said, my
he
lord.
was in prison.
It's what he said, my lord.
Utheke uma ukhuluma ke kalolu daba lolu ke ngesikhathi uConstable Zungu esho igama likaNkani ukuthi ke kwaba uwarrant officer Makhubu othi cha akwazi ke ukuthi ke kungaba uyena ngoba ke uyena owambopha nokuthi ke wayesejele ngaleso sikhathi yebo yiloko akusho uMakhubu Nkosi enkantolo.
So it can only relate to the date of the incident, the 26th of October 2014.
I cannot comment on that. I don't know.
Lokho kusho ukuthi ke leyo nkulumo leyo ke manje isinga khuluma ke noma ke isho ke ilanga leli lokwenzeka kwesigameko i26 ka October 2014 angeke ngikusho lokho Nkosi enkantolo.
But Constable Zungu was talking about the incident involving Mr. Senzo Meiwa. Is that correct?
Yes, yes, my lord.
Kodwa ke uConstable Zungu ngesikhathi ekhuluma wayekhuluma ke ngesigameko esasihlanganisa ke umnumzana uSenzo Meyiwa yebo Nkosi enkantolo.
And that was on the 26th of October 2014.
I was not there, my lord.
Lokho kwakunge 26 ka October 2014 ngangingekho lapho Nkosi enkantolo.
General, you recall that when you testified, you in evidence in chief, you testified that after Constable Zungu related his version, Warrant Officer Makubu took a docket,
The docket, yes, my lord.
and he showed Constable Zungu a photo, and he said it was a docket in another case.
Not, I don't say in another case. I say showed him the docket, the photo. He said, this man, I know him very well. And he don't think he can be part of these people because he was in prison. It's what Makubu said. And that's what annoyed Zungu.
Utheke uma ngabe ukhuluma ngalo lo daba lolu ke general wathi ke uma uConstable Zungu ekhuluma ke ngalo ke uNkani ilapho khona ke uwarrant officer Makhubu wakhipha idokodo lelinye icala wase emkhombisa isithombe cha angishongo ke ukuthi kwakuyidokodo lelinye icala kodwa nje ngakusho ukuthi wamkhombisa isithombe wathi ke cha lona ke umuntu akwazi ukuthi kungaba uyena ngoba ke wayesejele yilokho ke okwacasula uConstable Zungu.
General, the point that you are making is that you're contradicting yourself. You initially said Warrant Officer Makubu took out a docket from another case and showed a photo to Constable Zungu, but you subsequently said that he took out the current docket for Flores CAS 63610 of 2014.
Esikhulumayo sorry general esikhulumayo noma sikushoyo la kuwena ke general ukuthi manje usukhuluma lokhu uphinde futhi uyiphikise wena kusho kunye eqaleni uthe uma ngabe ukhuluma uthe uwarrant officer Makhubu wakhipha idokodo lelinye icala manje uma sewuphinde ukhuluma manje uthi kwakuyidokodo laleli icala uFoslorus case 636 sorry.
Yeah, my lord, I thought it is the case involving Senzo Meiwa. But what I can say is that, let me correct that to say, he took out that picture from the docket, but I cannot confirm whether it was that one of Senzo Meiwa or the other case. I only saw him showing him the photo, my lord.
Mina ke engacabanga ukuthi ke wayemkhombisa ke idokodo lalo icala leli ke angeke ngisho ke manje ke noma ngiqinisekiseke ukuthi kwakuyileli noma elinye icala ke angikulungiseke lokho ukuthi mina ke ngangicabanga ukuthi kwakuyidokodo lalo ke icala leli kodwa engikwazi ukuthi ke wamkhombisa isithombe.
So when you initially said he took out a docket from another case and showed him the photo, You were incorrect.
I do-
Because you are not certain.
It's a mistake. I was not certain, but it was even the issue is that he took out from the docket, my lord. And again, my lord, that during that time, he said, even if I don't agree, but I'm going to. Yeah, he said, even if I don't agree with you, Zungu, but because I'm an investigator, we are going to do the investigation. But please, it's a must that we must get Gwabini to make a breakthrough. But he said he's prepared to work with him.
Engakwaziyo ke lana noma ke kuloko kushilo ke general ingabe ke wenze iphutha ngasho ke noma ke ngakulungisa ke lokho noma ngithi ke ilona ke iphutha kodwa ke okwashiwo uyena uMakhubo ekusho kuyena ke u Constable Zungu ukuthi ke Zungu nanoma ke ngingavumelani nawe kodwa ke sisengaqhubeka ke senze uphenyo noma sisebenze ndawonye kodwa ke ukuthi ke icala leli ke lixazululeke kuzofanele ukuthi ke simthole uGwabeni.
And that's where he said, even if you're saying that, I will not give you the details of Gwabini because he will be killed and I will be killed, meaning himself.
Ilapho asho khona ke ukuthi ke manje ke kuloko angeke ngikunikeze imininingwane yakhe uGwabeni ngoba ke uzobulawa nami futhi ke ngizobulawa.
But he said he's prepared to work with him.
Kodwa washo ukuthi ke wayeyimisele ukuthi ke asebenze naye.
That was the last resolution when we left.
Kwakuwo kokugcina ke lokho okwashiwo ngaphambi kokuthi ke sihambe.
And he left with Makubu, I was left with General Sibiya.
Wahamba ke nehamba noMakhubo mina ngasala no General Sibiya.
But how could General, in all fairness, how could Constable Zungu be expected to work with someone who was of the view that there were no intruders in the house?
Who told him that there were no intruders in the house?
Kwakulindeleke ukuthi ke uConstable Zungu asebenze kanjani nomuntu owayenovo olwaluthi cha abekho abantu abangena. Ubani wamtshela ukuthi abekho abantu abangena?
Are you referring to Warrant Officer Makubo?
No, Zungu.
Cha ngikhuluma ngoZungu.
But Zungu, who told him that there were no two people who were inside?
Ubani watshela uZungu ukuthi abekho abantu ababili abangena?
Because when we were there, we never talk about that.
Ngoba ngesikhathi esasilapha yana ngaso asizange sikhulume ngaloko.
General, I think you're misunderstanding the question.
I understand you correctly, my lord.
No, let's repeat the question. How could Constable Zungu have been expected to work with Warrant Officer Makubo, who held the view that there were no intruders in the house, as we've just demonstrated in the passages that we quoted to you?
That's why I said, my lord, I understood you correctly, Advocate Balui, that who told Zungu that Makubu said there are no intruders in the house?
Ngikuzwe kahle ke Warrant General lana ke uadvocate ubuza ukuthi mhlambe ke General umbuzo lona awuzwanga kahle ngokuthi engikubuzayo ukuthi ke kwakulindeleke ukuthi ke uConstable Zungu asebenze kanjani no Warrant Officer Makubo ngoba uWarrant Officer Makubo yena awayekusho noma uvo lwakhe lwaluthi abekho abantu ababili abangena lapha yana kuloko besiqeda ukufunda la ngikuzwe kahle engikubuzayo ke ukuthi ubani owayetshele uConstable Zungu ukuthi uWarrant Officer Makubo wayecabanga ngalendlela ukuthi akunabantu abangena?
We're not talking about Constable Zungu, we're talking about Warrant Officer Makubo. You are saying that the instruction was that Constable Zungu must work with Warrant Officer Makubu. Now, what we are asking you is, how was Constable Zungu expected to work with Warrant Officer Makubu, who held the view that there were no intruders?
I want to repeat again for the third time, my lord. Zungu came with the information, my lord.
Siyaphinda sikubuzeke futhi ke General ukuthi ke kwakulindeleke ukuthi asebenze kanjani uZungu no Warrant Officer Makubu owayekhuluma into eyahlukile ekhulunywa ile uZungu. Ngizokuphendula ke okwesithathu futhi ukuthi ke ulwazi lolu lweza noZungu. Yes, General.
And I did not appoint Makubu to work with the case. He was part of the team of head office.
Angizange mina ngiqoke uMakhubu ukuthi ke akabe yingxenye lana noma ke asebenze ecaleni waye yingxenye ebuya ke khona ke head office noma yeThimba.
So here you are defending Zungu, where it is clear that you are taking side.
Lana ke manje uvikela yena ke uZungu la esecace bha khona ke ukuthi ke manje usunohlangothi othathayo.
General, we thought you understand how the court system works and what the role of the state prosecutor is.
Lesicabanga ke ukuthi general uyazi ke ukuthi ke enkantolo izinto zenziwa kanjani nokuthi uyazi ke ukuthi uyini umsebenzi kamshushisi.
Let me be slow, my lord.
But be that as it may, let's.
Yeah, I wanted to clarify this.
Yes.
Let me be slow, my lord.
No,
You
let's-
said,
No.
how can I believe that Zungu must work with Makubu? Then I said, who told Zungu that Makubu said he don't want to work, he's not believing the people that who were inside? It's what I said, my lord.
Engikushilo lana kumbuzo wakho ke obuzile ukuthi kwakwenzeka kanjani ukuthi ke manje ke mina ngikholelwe ukuthi uZungu wayengasebenza noMakhubo ngathi ke mina ke ukuthi ubani owatshela uZungu ukuthi ke abantu laba ke ababesendlini noma ke uMakhubo yena ke wayenovo olwaluthi cha abekho abantu abangena lapha ngibuze lokho mina ukuthi ubani watshela uZungu lokho.
Now, General, we have posited to you that when Warrant Officer Makubu said it cannot be that Nkani was involved as he arrested him on another matter,
Yeah.
that he was referring to the date of the 26th of October, his involvement regarding the issue of the 26th of October 2014.
My lord, this is an incorrect proposition. According to the evidence of Constable Zungu, this is the context within which Warrant Officer Makubu produced the photo and displayed it to Zungu and said, this is the Nkani that you say you know. And if you say this is the Nkani that is involved, you are incorrect because I've already arrested Nkani in another matter in KwaZulu-Natal, was within this context. Was within the context where Constable Zungu said, Nkani is also involved and I've seen him around Tembisa. That's when Makubo said he cannot be around Tembisa because I've arrested him in another matter in KwaZulu-Natal. It was not in reference to a matter of the 26th of October 2014. If we revisit that evidence, my lord of Constable
Uma
Zungu.
singabheka kabusha ke ubufakazi lobo kukaZungu kuloko kushiwa ngumshushisi ke ukuthi ke wase uMakhubu ekhipha ke idokode lelinye icala ekhombisa ke isithombe sakhe unkani ethi ke angeke kwenzeke ukuthi kube uyena ke ukuthi la ummeli uthi cha okwakushiwo ke kubufakazi ke ukuthi uConstable Zungu watshela uMakhubu ukuthi ke ungambona ukhona noma ngambona ke unkani ethembisa yila khona ke uMakhubu esesho khona ke ukuthi cha mina ke ngambophela elinye icala lase KZN wakusho ke ngaleyo ndlela.
Well, my lord, the witness on evidence, and we've already referred to what he said, what he testified about. He said at that meeting where General Sibia and Warrant Officer Makubo was, he asked Constable Zungu to relate to them the information that he has, and his words, General Lishabani's words were, when he testified, I said, I don't want to say anything. Constable Zungu must relate the story. He repeated what he heard from Gwabeni. He said the other one was Nkani, whereupon Warrant Officer Makubo took a docket of Senzo Meiwa and showed him the face of Nkani and said, this can't be the one, as he was in prison. In the context of this witness' own evidence, this refers to they're talking about the incidents of the 26th of October 2014 and the persons who are involved. And furthermore, this witness testified that Warrant Officer Makubo had reservations. He said he arrested Nkani and can be involved as he was in prison. As we say, my lord, that can only refer to the 26th of October 2014, my lord.
Kulokhu ke akufundayo ke umshushisi uthi ke impendulo ke leyo eyashiwa ke uyena ke noma kushiwo uyena ke uMakhubu ukuthi ke angeke ke kwenzeke ukuthi ke uNkani ke abe yingxenye ke ngoba ke wayesejele. Lokho ke kusho nje into eyodwa ukuthi ke khulunywa ke ngelanga la 26 October 2014.
My lord, I think I clarified the matter to say I did not see that docket, whether it is another docket or what. But what I can say is that there was a docket he was having, and I corrected that. I was surprised when he's also going back to it. But anyhow, my lord, it's true that what he said, but Makubo did not talk about the exact date of 26. He said he knows Nkani. And this is the Nkani, you know. He never said that now on the 26th, my lord.
Lokho ke ngicabanga ukuthi ke udaba lolo ke bengilungisile ke ngathi ke yebo unedokodo ayeliphethe kodwa ke ngingenaso isiqinisekiso sokuthi kube idokodo ke lecala lika Senzo noma kungasilona ke yebo kona ke lokho wakusho ke uNkani sorry ngiyaxolisa wakusho yena ke uWarrant Officer Makubo wathi ke nasi ke isithombe angeke kwenzeke ke ukuthi kungaba uyena uNkani.
Yes. Now, as my colleague, Council Mr. Ramusipila just pointed out, a very interesting proposition was made by Mr. Mgumezulu to Sergeant Mohola on the 19th of April 2024 regarding these discussions that took place in your office. On the 19th of April 2024, page 54, line 15, Mr. Mgomezulu made this proposition then because General Shabani was aware that Warrant Officer Makubo was also the investigating officer in this matter. He called Warrant Officer Makubo to come to Klorkop, and it has been placed by Makubo that he found General Sibia, General Lishabani, and Zungu in one of the offices. He even said it is suspected to be the office of General Lishabani with Zungu in the office when he arrived in Klorkop. When he was listening from the evidence of Zungu, from the statement that Zungu is giving to the generals, that is when Zungu told them that Sifiso Nkani Ntuli, which is accused 5, was also seen around those days in Tembisa. That is when Warrant Officer Makubo started to doubt the evidence. That statement that Zungu was telling them because he took out a cell phone, he went to his images when he showed Zungu an image depicting Sifiso Nkani Ntuli. He showed him, he said, "Are you referring to this person?" When you respond, just keep in mind that Mr. Mgomezulu says Warrant Officer Makubo took out a cell phone. You say a docket. Yeah. Zungu depicting Sifiso Nkani Ntuli, he showed him, he said, "Are you referring to this person?" is this the person you say he was seen in Tembisa? So in other words, not involved, not about him being involved in the context that we have posited to you. Zungu agreed and said this is the person he has seen around, according to his informer. Sifiso Nkani Ntuli is seen around Tembisa. That is when Warrant Officer Makubu said, no, it cannot be because I'm the one who arrested Sifiso Nkani Ntuli. And I think, he says, may I just confirm that? He says, may we approach accused number 5, my lord, with my colleague. Then after approaching accused number 5, they said, thank you, my lord. Warrant Officer Makubo informed Zungu that he arrested accused 5 on 13 August 2018. There's nowhere that Zungu could be around Tembisa.
Must I comment?
Yes, and furthermore, you can comment after the long adjournment. Line 23, and Warrant Officer Makubo will come and tell this court that immediately after he told Zungu that this man could not be in Tembisa, then he, that is now yourself, that you put, then he put his both hands, Lishabani put both his hands on his head and said, you put me in trouble. What will I say to the National Commissioner? Why will that be the reason for me to arrest accused number 1? But say you can comment after the long adjournment. My lord, this is almost time for the long adjournment. Can we take the long adjournment?
My lord, I think it's proper that he responds to this before we take a break. I think it's proper that he responds before we take a break.
Okay, can I, before responding, I must first read.
Yes.
Lana-ke ubufakazi bange-19 ku-April 2024 umnumzana uMngomezulu okay, ufakazi kwaku-Sergeant Mukhula ifundeka ngalendlela. Angifisi-ke ukuthi-ke ngiphazamisane-ke nerekhodi, ngifisa nje ukuthi-ke ngikusho-ke ukuthi izizathu-ke noma izathu ukuthi kungani umsolo wokuqala wakhishwa noma wadedelwa-ke ngo-2019 ngosenkantolo kulo fakazi baba uMngomezulu. Kunofakazi-ke ozofakaza ukuthi umsolo wokuqala waboshwa eboshelwa-ke ukuthi umnumzana uZungu wabiza uGeneral noma-ke waxhumana noGeneral Lishabane emtshela ukuthi-ke isibhamu esasetshenziswa ukubulala uSenzo Meyiwa kwakusolakala ukuthi-ke umsolo wokuqala owayesiphethe noma-ke enaso eThembisa, nokuthi futhi-ke kwashiwo kuyena uMakhubo ukuthi wathola uGeneral Sibiya, uGeneral Lishabane kanye noZungu kwi-ofisi elodwa, waze washo-ke ukuthi kuyasolakala noma-ke kuyasolwa-ke ukuthi-ke kwakuyihhovisi lelo likaGeneral Lishabane kanye noZungu kuyona-ke i-ofisi la afika khona eKlorkop. Yila khona-ke uZungu wamtshela-ke noma wabatshela ukuthi-ke uSifiso Nkani Ntuli okuwumsola wesihlanu wabonwa-ke kuzona lezo inkathi lezo-ke ebonwa eThembisa, ukuthi-ke istatement uZungu wayebatshela ngaso-ke ngoba wakhipha-ke ila ethi-ke wakhipha-ke umakhalekhukhwini, wahamba waya kuzona-ke noma-ke iy'thombe zakhe, wakhombisa uZungu isithombe esasinomsifiso Nkani Ntuli emkhombisa ethi ingabe ukhuluma ngalomuntu yini uyena lo muntu lona othi ke wabonakala noma wayebonwa ethembisa. Yebo, uZungu wavuma ethi uyena ke umuntu loyo owayebonakala noma owabonwa khona lapho ngokusho kwakhe ke noma ke ngokusho komuntu ke omnikeza ke umbiko noma information phecelezi ke uinformer uSifiso Nkani Ntuli ubonakala noma ubonwa ethembisa. Yila khona ke uwarrant officer Makhubo wathi cha akukwazi ke ukuthi kungaba uyena ngoba yimina owambopha uSifiso Nkani Ntuli. Yebo, uSifiso Nkani Ntuli ngicabanga ke ukuthi uma ngingaqinisekisa ngosenkantolo uma singaya nje kumsola wesihlanuke kanye nozakwethu uwarrant officer Makhubo watshela uZungu ukuthi ke uyena owabopha umsola wokuqala nge-13 ku-August 2018. Akukho la khona ke uZungu could be kodwa ke akubhalwanga kokho ukuthi ke uNtuli kungaba noma wayesethembisa. Ubaba umnumzana uMngomezulu ngo-2018 August 20 uyaqhubeka kumnumzana uMngomezulu futhi ke uwarrant officer Makhubo uzoza azotshela lenkantolo ukuthi ke emuva kokuthi watshela uZungu ukuthi ke lomlisa lona akungeke kwenzeke ukuthi wayengaba sethembisa. Wase ke ulishabaneke ebeka ke zombili izandla zakhe ekanda ethi ke iyo usungifake enkingeni ngizothini ke manje mina ku National Commissioner kungani ukuthi kungaba isizathu leso sokuboshwa kukamsolo wokuqala. Futhi ke uGeneral Sibiya waphuma ke eofisini ephuma ke kulona ihhovisi lakhe uGeneral Lishabane. uGeneral Sibiya yebo wabashiya ke emuva kwalokho kwathathwa ke isinqumo sokuthi ke kuhanjwe ke kuyoseshwa futhi kuyona indawo yakhe umsolo wokuqala la ayehlala khona. Ingakho ke kwatholakala khona ke nanjengoba kusolwa ke idakamizwa kwatholwa ke ukuthi ke wayeboshelwe ukuthi ke wayenezidakamizwa kuyena. Ngamafishana ke ubufakazi bakhe uZungu abuzange bukholwe ke ukusuka ngaleso sikhathi ke abazange bakholwe ubufakazi bakhe uZungu. Isona ke izathu leso ke umsolo wokuqala wadedelwa nge-19 zika March 2019 kuzona ke insolo zokushona kwakhe uSenzo Meyiwa.
My Lord, I'm under oath.
Kosenkantolo ngiphansi kwesifungo.
I will not lie, I'm an old man.
Ngeke ngiqamba amanga ngiyikhehla.
This story is a fabrication.
Lokhu okukhulunywa lana kuyinto engekho into nje ehlanganisiwe.
I will tell you what happened, my Lord.
Ngizokutshela nkosenkantolo okwenzeka.
This is the time I was waiting for to see the false statement of Zungu.
Sona ke isikhathi lesi engangilinde noma ebengilinde ukubona ngaso ke istatement lesi sikaZungu esiyamanga.
There's no way General Sibiya went out.
Akukho la khona uGeneral Sibiya aphuma khona.
And there's no way where I said people must go out because it was during the weekend. We were only, it was myself, Makhubu, Zungu, and Sibiya. How can that day I say they must go out because we say that now Zungu must go with Makhubu. At that day, my Lord.
Ngoba akukho la khona ke engangingathi abantu abaphume kwakungempela sonto kwakuyimina kwakuMakhubu kwakuuZungu kwakuuSibiya.
And my Lord, I'm not saying these people they are clean. I want to tell the court what happened.
Nkosenkantolo engikushoyo mina angisho ukuthi ke labantu laba ke ba clean kodwa ngifuna ukutshela inkantolo okwenzeka.
My Lord, biblical speaking, if you can check the 10 Commandments number 10, it's number 9.
Uma sikhuluma ke manje ke ngezwi lenkosi izwi leNkulunkulu uma ubheka ke imiyalo le eyishumi ke umyalo we9 number 9.
It says you must never give false testimony against your neighbor.
Ithi ke ungaze unikezeleke ubufakazi obungamanga noma ngomakhelwane wakho.
Makhubu never even spoke about the issue of Tembisa.
uMakhubu akaze akhulume ngodaba laseThembisa.
He said I was doing the investigation and I arrested this person.
Wathi ngangenza uphenyo ngase ngimbopha lo muntu.
if Makubu can come here and also General Sibiya, he will say he never went out.
Uma ngabe uMakhubu angeza lana kanye naye futhi ke uGeneral Sibiya uzosho ukuthi angikaze ngaphuma.
And when they left again, when I'm saying he's lying under oath,
Uma ngabe bephinde bephuma futhi ke nanjengoba ngisho ke ukuthi ke ukhuluma amanga phansi kwesifungo.
and Muzi is here, he was not there.
Umuzi ulana wayengekho lapha yana.
He was already detained in Tembisa South.
Ngaleso sikhathi leso wayeseboshiwe ke evalelwe eThembisa South.
I can't understand why they can write such a statement.
Angikuzwisisi noma angikuzwa kahle ukuthi ke kungani ke bengabhala istatement esikanjena.
And to come and say that I went out to go and with the team and raid again in the house of Muzi. He's here. I never done that.
Ukuthi ke manje sekubhaliwe lana ke ukuthi ke saphuma ke saphinde sayosesha futhi emzini wakhe ke umsola woqala ulana angikaze ngikwenze lokho.
My Lord, it's painful because I told Advocate Baloyi, he was insisting that I must corroborate the statement of Zungu, and I said no. My conscience cannot tell me to do that. And my Lord, what happened?
Kubuhlungu ke ukuthi ke manje ke ngikuzweke lokho ngoba ngamtshela naye ke uadvocate uBaloyi futhi ke wangitshela ke ukuthi ke angikhulume into ehambisana nestatement sakhe uZungu noma uConstable Zungu ngamtshela ke ukuthi mina wami uNembeza awungeke ungivumele ukuthi ngikwenze lokho.
My Lord, what happened is that the person to leave me in the office, it was Makubu and Zungu. And General Sibiya will come and testify about this one.
Umuntu ke owangishiya mina ke ehhovisi kwakuuMakhubu noSibiya futhi ke uGeneral Sibiya uma kwakuuMakhubu umuntu owahamba ehamba naye ke uZungu uGeneral Sibiya yena angeza azoqinisekisa lokho.
So the story is lies here, my Lord.
So manje ke lokho okulana Nkosi enkantolo kuhamanga.
But unfortunately, Advocate Baloyi will never believe.
Kodwa ke ngeshwa uadvocate uBaloyi angeke akholwe.
But because they were forcing me to corroborate Zungu, which I cannot do, my Lord.
Ngoba ke babengiphoqa ukuthi ke angikhuluma into eyodwa noZungu ngasho ukuthi angeke ngikwenze.
Is that your response?
Yes, my response, my Lord.
Did you understand that this was a proposition by Mr. Mgomezulu? It's not what Zungu was saying.
Yes, but the way you were asking me, that's why I'm saying that, my Lord.
Ingabe uyakuzwa ke ukuthi lokho ngabe ukuzwile mhlambe lokho ufunda lana ngoba akusiyena uZungu osho lokho inkulumo lena kaMnumzana uMngomezulu.
The judge was not there. I don't know who said that, but according to him, it means Mngomezulu was lying and there.
Umehluleli wayengekho ke lapho okusho ukuthi ke manje uMngomezulu wayeqamba amanga.
I was just showing you what happened, my Lord, because the court was not there. I wanted just to hear what happened on the day in question.
Ngibengifuna mina ukuthi umehluleli azi ukuthi kwenzekani ngoba umehluleli wayengekho lapho ngalelo langa lelo.
Okay, my colleague tells me satisfied with the.
Hello?
Can we then take a break? It's 13:09.
Yeah, bye.